Ever drag an image in Illustrator and it ends up stretched, squished, or blurry? Super frustrating, right? Today I'm showing you the only 3 techniques you really need to resize any image perfectly. Works great in Illustrator 2026. If you're new, hit subscribe and the bell. I drop simple tips weekly. Quick why. Vectors, logos, shapes. Resize perfectly forever. Raster images, photos, JPEG/PNG are pixels. Stretch too much equals blurry. Shrink too much equals lost detail. The secret to no distortion? Always keep proportions locked. Let's jump into the 3 techniques. Technique 1. Selection tool. Quick and everyday resize. Place your image, file greater than place, or drag it in. Hit V for selection tool. Click the image. See the bounding box? Hover over a corner handle, not side. Sides stretch. Click and drag. Hold Shift the whole time. Locks proportions, no squish. Hold Alt, option on Mac. Resizes from center. Boom. Resize perfectly in seconds. This is 80% of what I do. Test it now. Technique 2. Transform panel. This is perfect when you need an exact size, like 1,200 by 800 pixels for Instagram or specific inches for printing. Select your image first. Go to Window greater than Transform, or look on the right side in the Properties panel. It's usually already open. You'll see Width, W, and Height, H. Click the small chain/link icon between them. This locks the proportions automatically. Now type your new size. For example, type 1,200 in width. The height will change by itself to keep the shape perfect. Press Enter. Done. No guesswork, no distortion at all. Pro tip. If you need different units like pixels, inches, or centimeters, just change them in the top bar. Super easy. Technique 3. Scale tool. This is great when you want to make something a percentage smaller or bigger, or resize multiple objects at the same time. Select your image, or hold Shift and select both your photo and logo to resize them together. Press S key to choose the scale tool, then double-click the scale tool icon in the toolbar to open the dialog box. In the box, make sure Uniform is checked. This keeps proportions locked. Type a percentage, like 75% to make it smaller, or type new dimensions. Check the preview box to see the change live before you commit. Click OK. Quick bonus tip. Even without opening the dialog, you can just select the image and hold Shift while dragging a corner handle. Same perfect proportional scaling. These 3 techniques really cover 95% of all resizing you'll ever need. Fast, precise, and 0 quality drop. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials.